true. And the fact that that effort will be made, is being made, was also made evidently clear. Thank you so much, Ashok Malik, for speaking with us. In fact, let me come to you, Murli, just on that point, that, any question about how an alliance will be managed was answered very, very elaborately.
Yeah.
So, I've worked in an alliance before. And the fact that the alliance partners have also spoken about how much they admire what the vision is for the country.
Correct. Let me focus on the latter part of what you said. Managing alliance is not a problem now. It's about managing what the agenda is for the next 5 years, 10 years, whatever the case may be. Let me not look at 10 years, let me look at 5 years.
So 5 years, because right now this parliament is for 5 years.
5 years. So I'll not go beyond that one. So in between there might be alliance issues, those things, backstage political management, I'm sure all these senior politicians who are so experienced will be taken care of. So which is why I think investors, in my view, should not worry about these things. If you find a fall like you did the other day, it may not go to that extent, simply go and buy. That's been my line. The other point I want to make, Tamanna, is, look at the people there. Narendra Modi, Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, stalwarts. All three combined together. If you see, their goals are very clear, whether they want to work for their state or nation. See, if Andhra prospers or Bihar prospers, it's got its own effect in that economy. That economy will strengthen. That is point number one. Secondly, we all know what Chandrababu Naidu has done in building high-tech city. One of the reasons why tech stocks are running up today could be simply because, not because it's a catch-up rally. People anticipate that something big will come, because with someone like Chandrababu Naidu stepping in, I think the tech sector, the AI issue, all those things would be tackled in a big manner.
Absolutely. And you have Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar there. They have lesser numbers, but the fact is that there are more parties in that alliance. All the spotlight on Mr. Naidu and Mr. Nitish Kumar.
Sure.
But yes, I think also the biggest factor is that the opposition is making no attempt to form a government right now. They're not even trying. They're not even. They've said it very clearly that we're not going to focus on it right now. So the speed as well with which we are seeing that swearing-in ceremony, etc., is, I think, very, very important. We need to take a very short break, tells me the producer. But before we go into that break, let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi talked about. And I thought this was interesting. He said that there was one common factor between himself and the NDA allies, Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, and that factor is good governance.
राजनीति के विश्लेषक अगर विश्लेषण करेंगे तो देखेंगे कि एनडीए का जो लोग दिखते हैं ना, उसमें एक कॉमन चीज नजर आती है, और वो है गुड गवर्नेंस। इन सब ने अपने अपने समय में, अपने अपने कार्यकाल में जब जहां सेवा करने का मौका मिला है, गुड इस देश को दिया है। और इस प्रकार से एनडीए एक प्रकार से, एनडीए कहते ही गुड गवर्नेंस ये अपने आप पर्यायवाची बन जाता है।